Well, folks, we're, as you're probably well aware, we're at home. We have lots of projects on the go. One of them is getting the bikes ready for their next adventure. We're going to do the oil change post going to Panama on the return leg. Stephanie's got it on her new improved bike lift.
We're having some issues. The power's out. Garrett's been out for 24 hours. Also means we have no water out here because we're on a well.
Yeah, longer than in Nicaragua,
yeah.
Which is very common for power outages. Anyway, yeah, kind of wishing we were not home myself and that we were back, you know, in Costa Rica
or Nicaragua. In the airbox here, time to change the filter. Out with the old, in with the new. It's been cleaned once on the trip, but never replaced. Well, it's time to start working on this beast. And she's actually set up inside the truck.
Yeah.
A little dark in there, so we know we got stuff to sort out. We have fork seals to do and replacing the front brake disc, which I'm working on right here on the tailgate. Still straight, but it's moving. This area right in here has completely worn out, so we got to replace that.
Well, hi guys. As you're well aware, we are motorcycle enthusiasts and total bike nuts. We're going to take a moment here to explain what our biggest project of the summer is going to be. We've been riding supermotos and riding at the track almost every summer, and this year we'll be participating in an endurance charity event with Higgys at the track. Our good friend Mark has put that on, and we've got a team. The team will consist of Stephanie, myself, and our good friend Bodhi, and we're going to be calling ourselves the Adventure Co-op. You can go to Higgys at the Track's website.
On the website, you can learn about the charity of choice for this event. It's the Children's Health Foundation of Vancouver Island. They've been helping local island kids for the past 96 years and their families to access the health care that they need. So on the website, you can learn more about that, and you can also donate towards our team. Just click the green Donate Now button, then select the Adventure Co-op, and select how much you want to donate. So you can donate a lump sum or a certain small amount per lap. They're estimating we're going to run a max of 340 laps in the day. It's a 9-hour endurance race. So that's going to be fun. And hopefully you guys might come out and watch. It's free, or well, it's open to spectators. It's $10 to get in. And all those proceeds go towards the charity itself. So the event is taking place August 21st at the Vancouver Island Motorsports Circuit in the Cowichan Valley.
So if you enjoy watching our videos, please check it out and participate in this really important charity. We're going to be filming the entire event, and we'll be sharing that later. Mm-hmm. Speaking of things that we're also going to be doing, we are going to be presenting at Horizons HU Can West 2022. That takes place
June 9th through 12th in the Cusp, BC.
And we're really excited to share that as well. We managed to get out for an amazing ride. The bike maintenance paid off. I was able to get everything done on the bike. And we managed to get out and do a 3-day ride, 2 nights camping with our friends. It was all organized by Christopher Chong, Zordflea on YouTube. And we're going to just leave it off with video clips from our adventure. Again, check out our schedule. I posted it at the very end of the video. And got a lot of projects on the go.
And we'll see you guys soon.
We got a couple of viewpoints, and we're getting to Banfield, but we're taking the long way.
Okie doke. So this isn't actually a photo.
Cool. It's a video. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Why, yes, of course. Oh my goodness.
Congratulations, Mike.